arbitrationagreements.org. The Federal Arbitration Act, or FAA, is a federal law that governs the use of arbitration in the United States. Let's explore what the FAA is and how it affects arbitration. But first, please give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for notifications so you can stay updated about crucial legal topics that can benefit you and your company by saving time and money while maintaining happy customers. The Federal Arbitration Act was passed in 1925 and has been amended several times since then. Its purpose is to promote the use of arbitration as a method of resolving disputes, rather than going to court. The FAA sets out the basic framework for arbitration agreements and awards. It requires that arbitration agreements be in writing and that they are enforceable in court. It also requires that courts enforce arbitration awards, except under very limited circumstances. The FAA has been interpreted by courts to be very pro-arbitration. This means that courts will generally enforce arbitration agreements, even if one party objects to them. The Federal Arbitration Act also applies to both domestic and international arbitration. This means that the FAA relates to disputes that arise both within the United States and between parties in different countries. The FAA has had a significant impact on the use of arbitration in the United States. It made arbitration a more popular method of dispute resolution, particularly in commercial disputes. If you're involved in a legal dispute, consider whether arbitration might be a viable option for resolving it. After all, arbitration has a national reputation for saving disputing parties a lot of time and money compared to litigating in a courtroom. To learn how arbitration can benefit you and your business, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. Our association does not provide legal advice, but call us if you or your business want to open a new account or case. But enough about us. What do you think about arbitration and the Federal Arbitration Act? Drop a comment below and let us know. Plus, don't hesitate to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you and your business can stay updated about cost-saving alternatives to litigation.